So guys, I am trading gold at the moment, and I've got 106.25 at the moment. This is with the profit that I'm gaining at the moment here, right? Now I started this account. This account was down to $2.57. Okay, and I managed to get this account up to $101.28 US from $2.57. Okay, so guys, if I could build an account from $2.57 up to $100, then what I can do with $1,000? Just do the maths, guys. Do the maths. Do the maths, guys. So when people say you can't trade, you need a lot of money to trade. This is just a prime example of you do not need a lot of money to trade. All right. This is a prime example. So at the moment I'm up. Let me just go back to my account history with this account, and I will show you guys. I am up in profit. Let me show you guys. So I'm up in profit of 98.71. Okay, plus the 257 will give you $101 and whatever it is there at the moment. Okay, and this is all the profits and loss that I've gained within the time. You can see it in the history here of trading this $2.57. All right, so I'm going to see how far I can take this account to. And I'll share it with you guys, right? Let's see. Okay, so I'm up $5 in profit at the moment. I was up $6, but it's retracting a bit. I may take out my profit because $100 is a very small account, but we will see. We're not going to take it just yet. We'll see what happens here. I'm expecting it to actually break this minor high here to the previous high. So once it breaks here, I'm going to continue. I'm going to stay in trade anyway and see what happens here. All right, but I'm well into profit at the moment by $4, which is a good profit for $100. Okay, so let's see where we go with this trade. All right, I'll keep you guys posted and follow me on this forex journey. It's a skill you cannot go wrong with. All right, so let's go get this money.